Good afternoon, grade 8 students. Teacher Daniel is here. Today, we're going to learn with you Unit 2, Looking into the Future. Our lesson today is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, Vocabulary. Part 2, Grammar. And Part 3, Exercise. Please follow along with the video. We're going to begin with Part 1, Vocabulary. Please read and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Vocabulary. Looking into the future. Unit 2. Lightning. Lightning. Sun. Sun. Weather. Weather. Hot. Hot. Wind. Wind. Interesting. Interesting. Friendly. Friendly. Honest. Honest. Happy. Happy. Thank you for your attention, students. See you in the next part. Now, let's move on to the part 2, Grammar. In this part, we're going to talk with you about will and won't, to plus adjective, and should, shouldn't. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Unit 2, Looking into the Future. First of all, in this unit, we're going to talk with you about adjectives. Adjectives are one of the four major word classes, along with nouns, verbs, and adverbs. Examples of adjectives are big, small, blue, old, rich, and nice. Adjectives give us more information about people, animals, or things represented by nouns and pronouns. What can adjectives tell us? They can tell color, black, blue, pink, red, size, big, small, large, little, taste, bitter, sour, sweet, spicy, personality, friendly, gentle, brave, calm, amount, 50, many, too few, opinion, strange, sad, loud, slow, and many other things. For example, appearance. Yes, beautiful, pretty, cute, short, or tall. For example, the man is tall. Man is noun, tall is adjective. 2 plus adjective. 2 plus adjective is used to mean that something is more than sufficient or more or less than necessary. For example, let's imagine you want to bring the elephant into the room. Is it possible? No, of course it's impossible. Why? Because the elephant is too big for the room. We just cannot bring the elephant into the room because elephant is too big. So 2 plus adjective big. Yes? Means negative meaning. More than sufficient. So here is the construction. We use 2 before adjective. 2 plus adjective. Another example, you want to leave the rock in the forest. Possible? No. Why? Why can't you leave the rock in the forest? Because the rock is 2 plus adjective heavy. Too heavy. Here are more examples. We can see 3 groups, and I will read one example from each group. Group 1, 2 plus adjective plus infinitive. For example, the fridge is too heavy to lift. So we can't lift the fridge because it's too heavy. Yes, negative meaning. And we use infinitive to lift at the end of the sentence. Group 2, 2 plus adjective plus 4 plus person. The shirt is too small for him. Yes, so he can't wear the shirt because the shirt is too small. Yeah, more than sufficient. Negative meaning. And the third group is the most complex. Look, 2 plus adjective plus 4 plus person plus infinitive. Wow. The coffee is too hot for me to drink. So I can't drink the coffee. It's too hot. More examples, please. The weather is too cold today. I don't want to go outside. Yeah, look at this cute dog. The weather is too cold. Example number 2. The girl is struggling, right? Because the suitcase is too heavy. She can't lift it. So, negative meaning, too heavy. And example number 3. I think the snail will be late because the snail, Itya, is too slow. So again, adjective slow and too shows negative meaning. The second topic in this lesson is first conditional. The first conditional has the present simple after if, then the future simple in the other clause. So, present simple in the if clause and future simple will or won't in the main clause. First conditional is used to talk about things which might happen in the future. So, look at the structures again. If I study, present simple, I study, yeah? I will pass my exams. Future simple, will pass. And we can switch the clauses. Look, I will pass my exams if I study. So will pass is future simple and I study is present simple. If I study, I will pass my exams, or I will pass my exams if I study. Let's look at the structure, usage, and examples. So one more time. If plus simple present or present simple in the if clause. And subject plus will want, yeah, future simple or simple future, plus verb 1 in the main clause. We use first conditional to talk about possibilities in the present or in the future. Let's look at some examples. If it rains, I will stay at home. So it means if it rains later or in the future or tomorrow or in 2 hours, yes, I will stay home. If I find your email, I will send you the picture. So one more time. If I find your email later, yes, in the future, I will send you the picture. Here are more examples. Example number 1. If I have enough money, I will buy some new shoes. Again, future meaning, possible. You will get fat if you eat a lot of fast food. So if you eat, like in the future, you will get fat, right? But it looks delicious. If the weather is nice, we will go to the park. Again, yeah, future meaning, but we still use present simple, is. And the third topic in this lesson is about should and shouldn't. Should and shouldn't are used when we want to express our subjective opinion. In other words, what I think is best for you to do. Or we can also say it's a good idea to do. Yes? So we give kind of advice or suggestion when we use should or shouldn't. In affirmative form, the structure is subject plus should plus verb in the base form, yeah, verb 1, plus complement. For example, you should exercise every day. Yes, it means my subjective opinion. Yeah, it's a good idea for you to exercise every day. Negative form. He should not drink much soda. So subject plus should not plus verb 1 plus complement. We can use contraction shouldn't instead of should not. Okay. And interrogative form. Question. Should plus subject plus verb in the base form, verb 1, yeah, plus complement plus question mark. Here are more examples. You should answer your questions now. So this is my suggestion, yeah? It's a good idea to answer right now. Okay? We should drive carefully in bad weather. Okay? Again, this is an advice. So my subjective opinion, we should drive carefully in bad weather. And example number 3. The girl has sore throat. She shouldn't drink cold water. So again, yes, I think it's good for her not to drink cold water. Thank you very much for your attention, students. I hope you understood these 3 topics, and see you in part 3. Goodbye. Part 3, exercise. We're going to check how you were able to understand will want, to plus adjective, and should, shouldn't. Please read the sentences with me and try to choose the correct answer. Later on, we will check the answers together. Let's begin. The fridge is blank to lift. I will ask for help. Too light, too heavy, too difficult. Number 2. I need some cold water because the tea is blank to drink. Too cold, too easy, too hot. Number 3. John is blank to drive a car. He's just 12 years old. Too young, too big, too old. Number 4. The bus is blank. We have to take a taxi. Too fast, too bright, too slow. Number 5. If you blank, she won't trust you again. Not apologize. Number 6. We blank at home if it rains tomorrow. Stay. Number 7. If you blank carefully, you blank the lesson. Listen, understand. Number 8. You look sick. I think you blank take some medicine. Should go, should see, should take. Number 9. I look a little fat. I think I blank some weight. Shouldn't lose, should gain, should lose. Number 10. I blank to bed late, or I will feel tired in the morning. Shouldn't go, should go, should fly. Finished? Let's check your answers. Number 1. The fridge is too heavy to lift. I will ask for help. Also, you can actually use too difficult. So, too heavy or too difficult. Number 2. I need some cold water because the tea is too hot to drink. So, I need cold water because the tea is too hot. Yes, negative meaning. Too plus adjective. Number 3. John is too young to drive a car. He's just 12 years old. So 12 years old, yes, he's too young to drive a car. Too plus adjective. Number 4. The bus is too slow. We have to take a taxi. We have to take a taxi because the bus is too plus adjective slow. And number 5. If you don't apologize, she won't trust you again. First conditional, don't apologize. Number 6. We will stay at home if it rains tomorrow. Again, yes, first conditional. We will stay at home if it rains tomorrow. Number 7, first conditional again. If you listen carefully, you will understand the lesson. So present simple and then future simple, yeah? You will. Number 8, you look sick. I think you should take some medicine. So you look sick, that's why I think it's a good idea to take a medicine. Number 9, I look a little fat. I think I should lose some weight. Again, advice, right? And number 10, I shouldn't go to bed late or I will feel tired in the morning. Again, suggestion, advice to myself. Please check your answers carefully. Thank you for your attention, students. I hope you understood will, want, first conditional, and should, shouldn't. See you in the next unit. Goodbye.